Hello, traders. This is Blake Marr with ForexAnalytix, and today I have a special guest, Chris Weston of Pepperstone. The reason why we're bringing Chris on today is we're going to talk a little bit about the relationship between Pepperstone and ForexAnalytix. Formed a relationship between the two companies, but more importantly, it's the benefits that Pepperstone can bring to the Forex analytics customer base. I want to tell you a little bit of how Chris and I met. We actually met a few years ago, and we've done a few projects together. But just recently we have forged this relationship between the two companies, and I wanted to give Chris a moment to talk about himself, Pepperstone, and the benefits that they bring to our customer base. So, Chris, welcome.
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Blake. It's great to be with you. And obviously we've been working together fairly closely recently, and we've shared ideas and trade ideas through social media for some time. Obviously, I've known Stelios and a few of the other guys as well, and it's great to be working in a more formal light with you guys going forward.
So, Chris, tell us a little bit about the Pepperstone clients and what they're like.
Well, we've got a whole mix of various clients, be it from pro traders, people who have been in the markets for a large period of time, who've got well documented trading processes and frameworks, going through to people who are just starting out on their trading journey. We've got clients in a number of jurisdictions, a number of geographies, are all around the world. We're licensed in a number of different countries. You can go to our website and you can find out exactly where we're licensed there. But generally, our clients are aspirational traders, people who are making connections between the real world and the financial markets, people who, are trading off price action, technical analysis, people who use systematic trading flow. I mean, we see about 45% of the daily transactions through Pepperstone are systematic in nature these days. And our DNA was sprung up used from FX. We were considered an FX specialist, but over the years we've branched out in line with the sort of changes in volatility across asset classes, and we do a lot more business nowadays in index trading. We offer US stocks, and we're certainly a big player in the gold market as well. So we're really big in FX markets, but we've branched out across those different commodity different asset classes as well.
And that's great because of the volatility that we've seen in recent years. The being able to branch out away from FX, but still stay in FX, but also into different asset classes has been a huge benefit to so many traders around the globe. Now, your focus, and I've noticed this with you over the years, is really focusing on risk management. Tell us a little bit about how you, as an analyst and really the chief analyst there at Pepperstone, how that benefits the ForexAnalytix traders.
Yeah, look, I mean, I think let's not take anything away from what you guys are doing. I mean, I think it's really good in terms of the insights that you're providing and the setups and the trade generation and ideas and the ability to offer clients positive expectancies. One of the things that we focus on very heavily is this approach to risk management. When you've got a framework, when you've got a trading plan, a process, for example, I think when clients are coming up, the ability to understand risk and harness risk and use it to get your edge, I think is something that can be misplaced, and we're trying to help them out with that situation. So whilst we'll sort of complement what you guys are doing with trade ideas and generation and up-to-minute news flow, what we're really trying to do is part of the risk management process and achieving correct position sizing is actually tell people what is correct, what is actually going to be a risk event, what's not a risk event, where you can have more confidence of holding your exposure over certain situations. And then also actually giving you a quantitative method actually to what's the market's implying, what the market's expecting for the sort of degree of movement over those various events as well. So I think when you're looking at risk management, it's often overlooked relative to things like entry points and other factors. But I think it's such a key component, and that's where we try and give our clients an edge, in terms of a duty of care to try and keep them in the game and survive and thrive in the financial markets.
Well, as the ForexAnalytix traders can obviously tell, the importance of the relationship between Pepperstone and ForexAnalytix is huge. We can provide a lot of technical analysis, ideas, points of entry, actionable ideas. But when you complement that with the risk assessment and the market assessment and the cross asset assessment that Pepperstone gives you, the marriage between the two companies becomes very powerful. And that's what we wanted to explain to you all, and the real benefits of using Pepperstone and having that reach of a global partner a brokerage firm like yourselves, and all the benefits it can bring them. So, Chris, I want to thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with our customers. And I know as they become Pepperstone traders, they're going to receive a lot of analysis from you as well.
Well, I think what we're trying to do is just work, smarter for clients. Offer, the real value, not just in terms of costs and things like spreads and swap rates and various factors, but a new level of support. That's what we're incredibly well known for around the world. Is just the level of support that you can get from the client service teams. And I think you'll notice the difference there as well. But also in terms of execution and technology, we try and be at the forefront there. So we're trying to be entrepreneurial in that situation. So, I think it's a refreshing change from what you may be getting at the moment, or if you're looking to get into the market, we can offer the support that you need there. So it's it's a great time to be involved with Pepperstone. Obviously, we're really hoping to re-cement the relationship between ForexAnalytix and Pepperstone going forward.
And same here. One of our analysts that is in Spain, he's raved on and on about you guys for a number of years. And so we're so excited to have you part of the ForexAnalytix family and to bring your services to our traders. So, Chris, thank you so much for being with us today. And we look forward to years and years of prosperous trading with our traders and your business.
Good on you, Blake. Thanks very much for having me on.
Thanks. Have a great one.